it changed my life actually. How I experience and other things, and how I act. And I will never forget Montessori.
Earlier this year in February, I shadowed my friend Shelby at J.S. Wilson. It was a good school, but as I entered their math lesson, I saw they were only learning how to multiply decimals. I learned how to do that in 4th grade. It made me realize how advanced Montessori is, how they really do prepare you for what lies ahead.
Montessori has made me an overall better person. It's taught me to think before I act, to not be quick to judge, and that even though I'm young, I still have a voice in what I say.
They gave me strong education that I may need for middle school, and what I think is important that I made here is friendship.
They taught me how to be caring and respectful, and they taught me how to keep my mind open to do new stuff, not be afraid.
Other schools, they'd be further back in some learning things, and we'll be further ahead in others than we would be if we went to a traditional school.
It prepared me because of gathering up all the stuff I need to move on to a certain level that I'm not really at yet.
It's taught me that you have to do your work hard and pay attention and just learn. Don't really mess around a lot.
Next year, when you go to like 7th grade, you'll be able to like know like everything that you need to know.
You can say, look, I've practiced those skills back in MOCS, so I know how to do this stuff.